Gnosis, guys, currently trading at $299.62 with a market cap of $578 million, ranked number 102 on the list. Now, guys, if you guys want to trade, hodl, get a part of this cryptocurrency, they're on Binance, Kraken, Gate.io, Bitfinex, let's see, Gate.io, once again, Uniswap, ZB.com, Bancor.network, XN.com, BitTrue. So they're on a lot of platforms. It is near top 100, so you guys can get a part of this cryptocurrency. When it comes to a price rating, guys, this thing got a beef on stable outlook. So like I said before in a lot of my videos, guys, cryptocurrencies that have a price rating are typically a little bit better than the ones that don't. But it's going to be a case-by-case scenario, so you guys got to see which is a cryptocurrency, read the white paper, and such and such. But let's head straight to their website, guys. So Gnosis builds new markets, mechanisms for decentralized finance. Our three interoperable products allow you to securely trade, create, and hold digital assets on Ethereum. So it is a token, guys, runs the Ethereum platform. Let's head straight to their Twitter page, guys. Send 120,000 followers. If you guys want some of the most updated news, check out their Twitter page. Also follow me on Twitter, Mcclendon. A lot of political stuff, trading stuff. Pretty much like my YouTube, but you guys can get in contact with there. Let's get to that price prediction, guys. So Gnosis has been taking some pain, just like many other cryptocurrencies. This thing's sitting a little bit below the 50% line, and I think it's going to be heading a little bit lower. But let's see if it'll catch us to support right here. So currently, there should be a whole bunch of orders down here, and we'll see if it'll catch the bid or break through it. So when it comes to this right here, I think short term, guys, short-term price prediction is going to be hitting the let's see, about here. So I believe it's going to be, this is on the weekly, guys, because I'm seeing a little bit long-term. It's going to be hitting 250. So that's my price prediction, guys, $250. Now, what I would do if I was going to get into this cryptocurrency, I would not do a buy limit, because I don't know if this price point will hold, even if there's a lot of confluence happening right here. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm look at more like a buy stop. I want to see if it will enter, hit the 250, go down, create a wick, like a hammer, a hammer. And if it builds up some more orders down here, builds up a little bit higher, then I can look at getting on a buy stop up higher. Maybe it'll exceed those higher highs. But for where it's currently priced at, guys, I think it's going to be lower than build up some orders. If it heads down lower, I can do an updated price prediction, guys. All you gotta do is put in the comments below, guys, when we update it and see what my thoughts are, because I think it's gonna be hitting this point down here. It's some orders. So if we look at shorting, there's a possibility of earning some income from this trade, and then exiting and then going long, or it might break and hit down lower. So I'm just gonna wait it out, guys. I won't do any orders. I won't put in a buy stop until I see some orders build up down here. And also, if it wicks down, then make trades a hammer. It's more like more evidence of that it can go back up in reverse. But guys, that's my price prediction. Was it 250? Any question or comments how I came to that conclusion, put it down in the comments below. But let's head to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about indicators, custom indicators, management of 4 and 5 cryptocurrency, and some economy and stats, let me know. But other than that, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.